Hello guys, today we'll talk about prolonged division. So let's start right now. 15,708 over 3. So let's start that. 1 is less than 3, so we cannot take it. So we'll take the second one number. It will be 15. 15 divided by 3 over 3. Take the least number, equal 5. 5 times 3 equal 15. So it will goes each other 0 0. And we will let the 7 down. 7 over 3 will get the more appropriate number to it, so it's 6. Put here 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equal 1. Then 0. B down 10 over 3. The nearest number will be 9, so 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. And be 1. Then we will get 18. 18 over 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. So it will go with each other. So the answer will be 5,236. Let's take another example by 2 digits. So 16 and 176. 176 over 16. We'll take first two numbers with the first two numbers. The nearest number will be 16, so 1. 1 times 16 equal 16 minus 17 minus 16 equal 1. 6 will be down. 16 over 16 will be 1. 1 times 16 equal 16. So it will go with each other. Finished. So the answer will be 11. I hope that you like our video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. Bye.